Types of hammers. And their uses. Claw hammer. A claw hammer features a small, circular, flat face on one side and a narrow two-pronged opening on the other. They're one of the most recognizable and common hammer types. The flat-sided face is used for striking tasks, such as driving in nails, while the claw-shaped side allows you to pull out nails. Sledgehammer. A sledgehammer is a large and heavy hammer that you swing with force, in the same way that you'd handle an axe. Ball-peen hammer. Ball-peen hammer is flat-faced on one end and rounded on the other. They're a popular hammer type for metalwork applications. The flat end is used for tasks such as driving punches, setting rivets, and the rounded peen end is for shaping metal. Tack hammer. They allow for pinpoint accuracy when striking, and their main applications include fine detail and upholstery work. Club hammer. A club hammer has an evenly balanced, symmetrical head, with two flat faces. Their design makes them perfectly suited to heavy-duty and demolition tasks that don't require something as forceful as a sledgehammer. Mallet. A mallet is a soft-based hammer, perfect for non-marring applications. Their head is typically manufactured from rubber and they're ideal for landscaping tasks such as driving in stakes or setting paving stones. Cross-pane hammer. A cross-pane hammer is primarily a type of metalworking and blacksmithing tool. It has a similar appearance to a club hammer, with the exception that one side of its head is tapered into an angular point. Dead blow hammer. A dead blow hammer is usually made from a polyurethane shell, which is filled with loose steel or sand. They're designed to reduce rebound and minimize damage and are commonly used to move or adjust an item without denting or marking it.